everybody, welcome to my channel. Miss Charlotte wants to be in the video today, but we are doing week 2 of decluttering and cleaning up my life to get everything organized, to keep my life organized, work on time management and all that fun stuff. So it was a struggle last week. I'm gonna tell you guys that I've been really keeping my kitchen clean, like to a T. My husband loves cooking and he doesn't pick up anything, and I've been like on his case. I've been like hand washing dishes right away when they need to be hand washed and letting them dry and not letting them sit around. So my kitchen, I've been doing excellent at. The kitchen table, my husband has a tendency of just putting everything down on the table. So it's not like what it was. It was nowhere near what it was when I started doing my video, but it has gotten, you know, a little bit bad, but that's okay. It'll take me like not even a minute to clear it off. The kitchen table, or my bathroom countertop, has been pristine the whole entire rest of the week whenever I filmed that, so I was happy about that. And the same thing with my stairs. They are gonna stay that way and they're gonna stay cleaned and swept up. My windows, that's a reoccurring thing. That's gonna happen all the time. So I'm here to share with you guys what we are gonna do for week 2. My mother is coming to town in 2 days. She's gonna be just staying. She's gonna be staying for 3 days, 2 nights, 3 days. So I'm gonna kind of take it a little bit easier while she is here. It's really hard recording when you have a child with you at all the times because they don't help at all. But what I was saying is my mom's in town Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so I'm gonna try to kind of keep it low key because it's with her. But I'm gonna tell you guys what I want to do. I don't know why I'm on the wrong date here. I'm on the wrong date. So I wrote this down. She always stays in my son's room, so I am going to clean up my son's room today to get it all ready for her. And then I'm going to clean up my daughter's room because I will be staying in I sleep in my son's room just because it works out better with us. But I'm going to clean up her room to get her room started. Her room's not as bad as his. And then I'm going to clean up the living room as much as I can. I'm really good at cleaning under pressure. So I'm basically, she'll be here, and when she tells me she's on her way, it takes 2 hours for her to get here. I will have the living room like immaculate. Thursday, I'm going to be super busy. Again, I'm going to go do my couponing, but I plan on just sweeping and mopping the kitchen floor, maybe wipe down some of the cabinets and work on that. And then I wrote linen closet. I do this about once a year. I just have to kind of refold, reorganize everything in my upstairs closet, get rid of some stuff. So that's kind of decluttering and just kind of reorganizing it. So that is what is going to be for this week's topic, and I plan on getting that stuff. I am extremely tired right now, so if I don't get to my son's stuff today, I will definitely do it tomorrow, and my daughter's room tomorrow. I think I will be kid-free for 2 hours tomorrow, so I might do both tasks in one if I don't get a chance to do it. I'm currently working on another load of laundry, so that is the never-ending story, but I'm excited to start the second week, so let's get started. Hey everybody, so today is day 2, and I had a very rough night last night. My daughter got super sick and was throwing up everywhere. I'm on like less than 2 hours of sleep, so we didn't have very much energy to do stuff. It's about dinner time right now, but I'm gonna show you guys my daughter's room real quick, and then I'm gonna show you my son's room, and then this is what I'm gonna kind of work on for the night. It's not gonna be like perfect, but it's gonna be organized because I just want to clean it up. But here's Charlotte's room right here. I just had to throw a bunch of this stuff on the floor because I keep this room shut because my cat has a tendency of peeing everywhere, so we keep this door shut all the time. But I'm just gonna kind of clean it up a little bit, but we'll be sleeping in this room for a couple days when my mom is here. And then my son's room is a little ridiculous, but I don't know, see if the water's going down. Check the water thing. My kids are taking a bath. And then here is my son's room. I have a tendency of taking my socks off and then just letting them sit there. Okay, give me a second. The kids are in the bath. But I'm just going to kind of pick up the floor a little bit, organize this. It's not that bad, but we're going to clean it up. Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, it is day 3, and it is time to clean the living room. So last night I did clean a lot of the bedrooms as much as I could, but I ended up having still more laundry to do, and I watched my one show that it's the only show I really watch. But I did clean up my daughter's room as best as I can. Like, I got the bed made, I cleaned up the floor. She's got mismatched socks, like I have to go through her socks, but I want to get like this straightened up, but that is another time where I'm going to do that, or my mom's going to help me. But my son's room is really good, cleaned. I just have to vacuum it, so I just got to bring the vacuum up. My mom likes having blankets covering up the windows when she spends the night, so I have blankets in the corner for her, and then I'm still washing the comforter from the other day. It's in the dryer, I just have to check on it. But I'm just gonna vacuum the floor, but otherwise I feel pretty happy with how it looks. It's not like 100%, but the floor is clean and that's my main priority. I will spend more days decluttering and working on my kids' bedrooms. Like, I plan on getting rid of their toys, but I just don't have the time to do it today. But I do want to share with you guys, I did clean up the bathroom also. Like, this bathroom's never that messy, but I did, you know, clean up the countertop and all that fun stuff, so I got that. But I do want to share with you guys my linen closet. Stuff just gets shoved in here. I need to refold a lot of stuff, organize it. It's still pretty good, but this is the project that I'm gonna do with my mom on Friday, is we're just gonna kind of just organize it, fix it up. Maybe I might get rid of a couple things. But I mean, I definitely don't need crib mattresses anymore. So that is what we are gonna do on Friday, in case I don't show you guys an update video of that. But now the next thing I'm gonna do after I vacuum upstairs is I am going to clean the living room. My mom will be here in about an hour and a half. So I am gonna clean the living room up. The kitchen is still pretty good. There's a couple things on the kitchen table, which it's just little things, it's not hardly anything. But this is the living room, you guys. Like, this is just ridiculous. My kids dug out a game and then they don't put pieces back. What do you want? A blanket? Your bucket? Oh, okay. Well, we're going trick-or-treating tonight. So this is what my living room looks like. My kids had a freaking pillow and it like exploded. So I'm just gonna clean this up, vacuum it up. I'm gonna vacuum the couch too, but this is what it looks like. So I have an hour and a half to get this immaculate. Hey everybody, so my mom will be here like any second now, and I did clean the living room as good as it will get. If I had more thorough time, I would. Like, this is just kind of shoved in there, but I plan on decluttering a lot of this in the near future. But this looks 100% better. Well, 90% better than what it did, but get my daughter ready for going out for lunch. But other than that, I feel very accomplished. Tomorrow we're gonna mop the floor, and then Friday we're gonna do the linen closet. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so here is a little update of what I'm doing. I'm gonna move my towels here because I feel like I touch the towels way more and it's easier to move around. And then I'm gonna put all the bed sheets on this shelf and all the hand towels and tablecloths on this shelf, and then I'm gonna leave some space here and there. I did straighten up my purses. I do need to get rid of some of my purses, but that will be another day. And then I have some toilet paper in here, but I'm just gonna go through this, organize it, and then we'll figure it out more later on. Okay, so here it is. Everything's all folded up and organized. I do need to get rid of a little bit more stuff, but I do feel like it helped out. I had room to put some blankets in here, so I can put some more blankets in there. There's a towel that I need to fold better, but otherwise this looks like a lot better and organized, easier to find than before. I did get rid of all the baby stuff, so I plan on selling those on Facebook, and that's just this stuff right here that I'm gonna sell. So now to the next project.